To make a copy of this spreadsheet, go to File menu and click Make a Copy. Then type a new name and change the folder location if needed. Then click OK. This will reload the browser tab and get you a new copy of spreadsheet loaded in the same browser tab. Once this spreadsheet loaded completely, just reload this tab one more time. You can now see a menu Send Email next to Help. After creating a copy of this spreadsheet, make sure that you must have a folder called Images in the same folder where this copy is stored on Google Drive. Then click New button and click File Upload to upload images to this folder. Select all the images that you want to make them a part of your email message. Then click Open. Once the uploading complete, switch to the spreadsheet to proceed further. Now click to Images sheet. This sheet loads the name of the images that you have uploaded earlier. Also, it will load the source name next to each image name. Source name will be required in HTML sheet for image tag. Now click Send Email menu and click Load Images to Sheet. The first time it will ask for the authorization. Simply follow the process shown in the video. After loading the images to the sheet, now move to HTML sheet to draft your email message. There you can use your image source names to load that image in your email message. After drafting your HTML, let's move to the basic data sheet. Here you only change the cell B2 to assign a subject line for your email message. Don't change anything else in this sheet, else your script will not be executed. Now, after setting up all the prerequisite things, let's move to Setup Trigger. That trigger will run the Send Email to function automatically on submission of form response. To check if the trigger is successfully created or not, go to Tools menu, then click Script Editor. A new tab will be opened, switch to that tab. Then click the clock icon to check the active triggers for this project. Since trigger is created successfully, your spreadsheet is now ready to send automated emails on each form response submission. Now close the Script Editor tab and switch to Spreadsheet to start using this program.